Now we're gonna cover what to bring and what to wear on your hike. First layer is called the
base layer.
It has to be moisture wicking material. And you can find that in a lot of athletic synthetic clothing and also wool. These are some of the items that I like to wear for my base layer is Under Armour thermals, net gaiters, a synthetic hat, wool socks, wool gloves. All the items that I'll be showing you today, I'll be linking them in the description down below. Our second layer is our insulating layer. It needs to be breathable. Moisture that's being whipped off of your body from your base layer, it needs to pass through your insulating layer. What I enjoy using for my second layer are Puffy Jackets, and you can get them in a variety of different materials. There's a ton of modern day synthetics nowadays that just work amazingly. Or you can also find goose down, and that also works great. Our third layer is called the shell layer, and this prevents all the moisture from the outside from getting inside our clothing, causing us to become cold and wet. The kind of materials that you want to look for in your shell layer is something waterproof or water resistant, windproof. Something that I really like on my shell layers are ventilation, little zippers. All that moisture that's getting wicked from the first layer that's passing through that insulating layer will be able to pass out of your clothing, so you're not keeping all that moisture inside your layers. Now on to our boots. Kind of like our shell layer, you want something that's insulated, get waterproof, or there's waterproof spray. Going with our shell layer are gloves that are water resistant and help when the wind is picking up from having your fingers freeze off. Anyway guys, that's the end of my video. Hopefully you enjoyed it. One thing I want you to remember is if you don't have the money to go out and buy all these things all at once, it's okay. I accumulated all this stuff over the years. At the beginning, a lot of my stuff was from thrift stores or hand-me-downs, and it worked. Get out there and be safe and enjoy everything that this earth has to offer. If you guys got value out of this video, please like and subscribe. And in the comments, if you have any feedback on what we can do better or what you would like to see in our future videos, please let us know. Anyway, see you guys.